since 31st January, the KRA closed the plant. And all what now we've been doing is just trying to seek intervention from their offices. So what we've been doing is just to try to maintain the beer. And as I've said from our statement, it's using over 30 million monthly to try to maintain the beer in the tanks. So if nothing is done, as we put it in the paper, we'll be forced to bring down the beer, and the people behind me to be shown out of the door. On 7th December 2022, KRA closed the factory and further issued agency notices to that 6 banks in Kenya. This completely collapsed all our business operations, since we could not neither produce, sell, nor access any financing for many of the banks to assist in settling the arrears. So I don't think there is any other external process. It's KRA. They don't know what we want them to understand. But this is the same company that was able to pay 200 million over before COVID. So it's us now to work together so that now we get back to where we were and even expand and give in more than what we were paying. But because of 300 million debt, I don't think it's right for KRA to stop our operations. Some of the measures included reduction of standard VAT rate from 16% to 14%, corporate tax rate from 30% to 25%, and pushing up the minimum taxable threshold for individuals for pay-as-you-earn purposes. Though the gesture was unpredicted, and though the gesture was appreciated, it did not reduce the pain caused by the pandemic to the expected level. Though the gesture was appreciated, it did not reduce the pain caused by the pandemic to the expected level.